Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this awesome pack of smart RGB plus CW LED light bulbs by a company called TJOY. Now this is awesome. This is a 6-pack of smart light bulbs, so plenty of bulbs for all the lamps in your house. And these are not just any bulbs, they're LED, so they don't use a lot of power, but they have all the colors of the rainbow, also warm white and cool white, and they are smart so they can connect to Wi-Fi and be fully controlled through the app or through an Echo device or Google Home or anything like that, which is awesome. This is what the actual bulb looks like, and as you can see, just your standard bulb. Now this is 800 lumens, so it's very powerful, 9 watts, so gets very bright if you want it to. But of course, because it's a smart bulb, what's awesome is you can fully control it from 0 to 100% dimness level, whatever works for you, as well as all the colors of the rainbow. So really quickly, I just want to show you how you get these set up. They're very easy to set up inside of the Tuya app or the Smart Life app. So let's check that out. Okay, so to get your smart bulb set up, you're going to first install it wherever it is you're going to use it. And if it already has power, you can see it'll turn on. Now, if it's flashing fast automatically, it's ready to pair. If not, then you have to turn it off, on, off, on, off, on. But you can see this automatically went into pairing mode. And I'm in the Smart Life app. You can do Smart Life app or the Tuya app, and you can see it detected it automatically. One thing I like about the Smart Life app, once you've created your account and you've set it up to connect to a device, two devices, and anytime you add a device, it'll just automatically detect it. So I just click Add, and boom, it's right there and ready to control. Okay, so you can use the Smart Life app or the Tuya app to add your light bulb. First, you're going to install it wherever you're going to install it. It needs to be, if it doesn't flash automatically, you have to make it flash. I'm just going to click the plus button and say I want to add a device. I'm using the Smart Life app. You can use, again, you can use Smart Life, or you can use the Tuya app. And this is a Wi-Fi, so I'm going to say bulb Wi-Fi. I'm going to verify my information. If you haven't already entered your information for your Wi-Fi, you have to do that because obviously it needs to connect to your Wi-Fi. And now it's telling you turn on, off, on in order to put it into pairing mode. So I'm going to do that here. So it should now start flashing and going into pairing mode. And you can see it's in pairing mode. So I'm going to hit next. And I'm going to confirm that it is blinking. This is it. So I'm going to choose that. And now it's going to work on trying to connect to that smart bulb. Now you can see that it's connected. You've got that check mark. And you can see I got a message from Alexa because Alexa is already connected to my Smart Life app. It detects anything I add to that app automatically. So I'm going to dismiss that, and I'm going to click Next. And you can see there it is. I can rename it. I'm just going to call it Smart Bulb 1 and save. And now it's added. So now I can say Done. And you can see now that I'm there, I can control it. I can go cool white, I can go warm white, I can do colors. And now I'm going to go add the, you're going to have scenes. So you have different scenes, different moods where it goes through different things, just all kinds of different things you can do. But I'm going to go add the second bulb and then connect them to Alexa and work with them together. So you can see, easy to get set up with the app once you've registered and everything, and then you just connect through Wi-Fi, and then fully controllable. And what's great is if you have multiples of these and you use Echo devices, you can not only control these independently based on the name you give the bulb, but then you can also group them together and control them in groups. So let's jump over to a video where I have 2 different bulbs on each side of the bed in my bedroom, and I've connected them as a group, and so you can see me control them with an Alexa device, both as a group and independently, as well as you can see some great samples of the different colors you can get with these and how you can change the dimness level and all that great stuff. So let's check that out. So once you've got both bulbs or multiple bulbs set up inside of Alexa, you can create a group and you can group them together. That way you can control them independently or together. Alexa, set smart bulb 1 to red. Alexa, set smart bulb 2 to blue. Alexa, set smart bulb lamps to 5%. Alexa, set smart bulb lamps to warm white. Alexa, set smart bulb lamps to cool white. Alexa, set smart bulb lamps to 100%. Alexa, turn off smart bulb 1. Alexa, turn off smart bulb 2. So you can see, really excellent light bulbs by TJOY. Again, this is a 6-pack. Now, of course, they do come in different packs. You don't have to get the 6-pack. You can get a different size packs. But whatever size pack you get, just know that these are high quality RGB plus CW, cool white, warm white, 9 watt, 800 lumen light bulbs. They work great, easy to set up inside of the Tuya app or Smart Life app. And then once you got them set up, fully controllable either inside of the app itself or by just connecting to an Echo device and controlling them by voice, which is my favorite way to use them. But really great product by TJOY. If you're looking for some smart LED light bulbs that can give you all the colors as well as the different levels of white that you want and the dimness level, any dimness level you want, then these are definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those words are down there. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. And that is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.